I'm very glad that you are here. Let's start today with a logo. We use resource canva.com, and today we will be doing the design for a florist. We'll start from the very beginning with a white canvas. First of all, I go to this section and I'm looking for an element circle. There are different kind of circles and I like this one. But I would like to change the color, and I can do it in this section, and it will be green. Not it's too bright for me, and I would like to use the section transparency. We can move it to set up to the position that we like most of all, and we'll take another element, flower. Let's take this flower. I can move it as I like. I can make it using, I press Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and it will be the second one. And move it and set to the position that I like. Okay. Of course, I can change the color of this element. It will be like here and here. Okay. Now in the center of the logo, I would like to type the name. I add heading and type floral design. And I need to choose the font, and I will take this one and change the color. I would like to add here subheading, and I will type here floral design by Tina. I put it here in the center, and I will choose another font. Then I can make the letters bigger and bigger, and I can add the space between the letters using the section spacing. Here it is. Yes. And of course, I change the color. I can leave the background white or make it beige, white beige. So I go to the section background, choose this beige. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching.